If you're in the image generation business, like selling on Etsy, creating digital downloads or imaging, you've got to know about this app, because this is not only an app, this is an app that creates imaging apps, which is absolutely amazing, because if you need a custom type of image, you're going to be able to create that all by yourself using this incredible app, which was released today, the 1st of October, 2024. So this is an example of an app that was created, and without even prompting it, it's able to create images. So for example, this app is called Amazing Artistic Designs for T-shirts. That's the name of the app. And what it does, it creates designs for T-shirts. And you can actually create designs at random, or you can customize the prompt for each generation. So if I clicked on prompt enhance and then create image, it's going to then create 4 images of an example. This is just 4 examples for t-shirt design. So let's give another example. Let's say we wanted to create some cute designs. So I'd click on create a new app, and then I will type here cute baby clothing design, and then create your app. Now this is an unbelievable tool, because it uses multiple AI tools to generate this app, and it does it all by itself. So as you can see, once it's ready, you'll find the new app is ready to be used, and then you can click on enhanced prompt, and it will actually create something at random if you don't type anything in these boxes. Now you can get creative and tell it what you want, and it will then create that for you. But if you just let it do its thing, generate 4 images in one go, and then you will have 4 images. Let's have a look at what it managed to create. So here's some designs. Let's try again. And here are some results. Welcome to the jungle of fun. So of course, if you type in the prompt yourself, I love life, for example, the text on the image, and have an image of a baby climbing out of a crib, for example, and then click on enhance prompt, and then generate 4, you're basically going to get an image which is ready for your kind of purpose, and it's going to be very easy for you to create this kind of imagery. You could literally, the sky's the limit when it comes to the type of image you can create. And to create a new app, you just click on the create a new app button, and then whatever you type in this box will be the app that's created for you. The results of these apps, the outputs are incredible, and it's very consistently high quality. Thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.